Everyone, so thank you so much for clicking this video once again. After so many days, I'm here. Means I'm making this video outside my home. Otherwise, I was creating video inside my home. So, guys, finally, I am here, and don't worry, I will not use Hindi words because this video is going to be in English language, pure English. I will speak pure English. I will not use Hindi words. So today I will talk about the main important things because since when I have been taking classes, the learner who takes class from me, they have been asking only one question, that how can it be possible to learn English alone, and how can you learn English alone by yourself? It is not possible. It cannot be done by anyone. So this question has been asked to me so many times. So I thought that I must share my journey, that how did I learn English alone. And from this video you are going to know that if you are alone, if you don't have anyone in your area, so how can you learn English language, how can you enjoy this language, how can you learn English in easy way as I have learned it, right? So if you want to know the way that I followed, and because of that I'm here while speaking in English language and I improved my English, so this video is for you. Please watch this video completely because this video is going to be really very amazing. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, I would like to talk about my journey. After that I will talk about the way that I followed. Okay, so when I started my journey, means when I started learning English language, so that time I had no anyone. Even my even whenever I take class, whenever I talk with people in English language, if they ask me for my journey, so I always say that I really don't know how did I start my journey. I did not have idea that time that how can I learn English language. Even right now, if I think about my journey, my earlier journey, I do not get answer that how did I start this journey and why did I start this journey. I don't have any answer of this question, that without thinking about anything, I just started my journey. That time I had nothing in my mind that and there this journey there was no any reason I started just learning English language. I don't know what was the things happening to me that time, and because of that I started. So when I started my journey, so that time, you know what, in this generation, in this era, people they are learning English language, so before starting they create so many thoughts in their mind, that how can I learn English language, I don't have any, how can I learn English language, I don't have anyone, I don't have environment, I cannot learn English language without joining any coaching center. Means there are multiple questions in their mind when they start learning this language. But when I started learning this language, that time I had no any question. Being a village girl, being a girl, when I started my journey, so that I must have had questions in my mind, right? Because whenever you see people when they start learning English language, so there are multiple questions in their mind. But when I started, so that time I did not have any question in my mind. I just wanted to learn English language. You know what I was doing that time. And so I just started my journey. Means I started my journey from watching videos. I started watching videos in English language. And you know what, when I started, so that time I was not thinking about grammar mistake, anything. I was not thinking. I was thinking only about watching videos. I was thinking that only by watching videos I can improve my English. So there is nothing tough. There is nothing like any tough work. I only have to watch videos. So it is very easy. I just have to watch videos, right? So I started watching videos, and I know that I remember that I whole 1 year I was watching videos every day, but I did not try to speak in English language. I was thinking that only by watching videos we have to, if anyone wants to learn English language, so they have to follow only one rule, and that is watching videos. Somewhere I think some video I have listened this that if you want to learn English language, so start watching videos. Somewhere I think I heard about it. So I just followed this rule, that if I want to improve my English speaking, if I want to learn English language, so I must follow only one rule, that is watching videos or listening videos. So I used to focus on listening or watching videos a lot, and a whole 1 year I was watching videos. Whatever videos came in my mobile screen, I started watching that video. No matter that video was about advanced English, no matter that video was about basic English, I did not care about that. I started watching any of videos in English language. So as I said that I wasted my 1 year only for watching videos. So it's real. And in that 1 year I was thinking that I'm improving my speaking skill. It was like only by watching videos I can improve my English speaking. So I was thinking somewhere where in my mind it was fixed that only by watching videos you can learn English. So after 1 year, when I started teaching in a school, when I joined an English medium school for teaching, so when it came to start speaking in front of them, I myself that I'm unable to speak in English language in front of students. Even I was just asking their name or their class name, and after that I stopped myself that color, you don't have confidence, you cannot speak in front of them. What if that student will ask you any question in English, so how will you reply their questions answer? So that's why I stopped myself. That was the first day when I regretted myself that you have wasted 1 year, you haven't improved your English, you were watching videos, but where is the use of that videos? I ask it to myself that where is your improvement? I ask it to myself that where is your English language? You know what, you have been trying to speak, you have been trying to learn English language for a long time, for 1 year. So where is your language? I asked this question to myself in the first day of joining that school. Okay, so at that time, so that day I realized that only by watching videos I have improved my grammar knowledge, but I have not improved my speaking skills. This was the main problem. I wanted to speak in English language when I started, so that time I was thinking that only by watching videos I can improve my speaking skill, but it was not like that. I just improved my grammar knowledge. I was able to teach everything. When it came to start speaking, I was unable because I had no confidence to speak. I haven't tried to speak in English language, so how can I speak in English language that time? Okay, so this was my journey, right? And since when I started speaking English language, since when I started practicing of speaking English language, so that from that day I have not stopped myself to speak in English language. It is going on, and I will not stop it because I know that if I want to speak in English language, so I will have to do that work. If you want to eat food, so you will have to work how to eat food. So if you want to eat food, so you will have to work on eating food. It's nothing like that. If you want to eat food, so only by drinking water you cannot feel that you are not hungry. It is not like that. So whatever you want to do, you will have to do that work in practical way, right? So as I started my speaking English, and I haven't stopped myself. And the main thing was that, guys, I was believing that only by watching videos I can improve my English, and this was myth that time. So from these things you have to understand that if you want to speak in English language, so no matter whether you have partner, whether you have environment or not, so because it is proving that I was alone in my journey. I was alone in my village. I am the first one who speak English in my village, right? So if I compare my earlier journey and this journey, if you can compare your journey from my journey when I started, so that time I was totally alone. I had no anyone, even I had no knowledge about English language. So even I had no knowledge about English language, how to start, what to learn, how to learn. I did not know anything. But this time you have idea that what to learn, how to start speaking. You have everything. You have everything. You have knowledge. You have mentor for guiding you. So how can you say that you are alone? You are not alone. You have everything. You have partner. You can share. You can search on YouTube. You can search on Google. You have Chat GPT. So that is your partner. Okay, you have partner, you have environment. How can you create environment? If you want to create English environment in your area, so start listening any English podcast, start listening any song in English language. Automatically you will start creating English environment in your surrounding. It is very easy because you can see that when you start playing a song at your home, that time you are able to create that song environment at your home. If you play any bhakti song, right, bhakti song or any god song, so you are able to create that environment. Whenever you listen any bhakti song, romantic song, or any song, whenever you listen, you feel like that, right? So when you start learning, so when you start listening English, when you start playing with English games, means when you start playing English songs, when you start playing English podcast, so that time you will feel like this, means you are in environment of English language. You will feel, and this is the way that you have to do, and this is the way that you have to follow for creating English environment. So first, I said that you have partner, you have ChatGPT, you have YouTube. Second is, if you don't have anyone, it means if you don't have any environments about it, that you can create English environment. You can play any English podcast, you can play any English podcast, any song in English language, and automatically you will feel that you are in the environment of English language, right? And third problem, what was that? It cannot be spoken by anyone alonely. So I'm speaking alone here. Okay, I don't have anyone, I did not have anyone, and I will not have anyone, because I know that I am alone and I am enough for doing anything. So guys, I hope that you got something from this video, and I'm sure that if you follow these three tips, if you have understood something from my journey from this video, so definitely from today onwards you will not feel that you are alone for speaking in English language. You don't have anyone, you don't have partner, you don't have environment, you cannot speak alone. I hope that this video will make you understand that if you are alone, if you don't have anyone, so you are enough. That's why you don't have anyone. Try to understand this concept. You can do alone everything, that's why you don't have anyone, right? So I hope that you got something from this video. If you got something interesting from this video, so please let me know in the comment box. And you one promise to yourself that from today onwards you will start speaking, you will start following these rules, that whatever I have talked about in this video. I think that it's enough for today, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day, keep learning, keep focusing, have a nice day.